orange fuzzy antelope. Those are Uganda cob.
Whoa! Don't fall off the couch. Hey, don't chew on my new shoe either. Jeez Louise.
What is this thing?
No internet.
No, no.
Holy moly! There you go.
Wait, but we need to buy me a ticket.
Oh, that's right. I'm sorry. I need to buy him. I'm totally in control today. Yes, one adult.
Right there, perfect.
Cheeseburgers with extra cheese and no cheese, all same.
Perfect. All right, cool.
Who votes to go to the wings of the world?
Oh, is that an aviary?
No, thank you. I don't want to get pooped on. You guys
No.
want to be turtles for a day?
Don't peck at me. Don't peck at me.
Yes.
Get in it and it's got wheels on it.
Okay, like this.
For a day.
Yep, crawl in.
Hey, honey. You want to do it?
No.
Come on, that'd be fun.
Why would you pay to be tortured?
That's not torture. That would be great fun.
Oh, look, there's your safari thing, Daddy.
It can't, like, anytime the wind comes, it goes from one side to the other. Like, again, the worst thing that could happen is, you know, the tether breaks and we go floating off into space.
It'd be great fun. So, confession time. So, when you get on the Africa tram, they specifically tell you, do not drop anything and do not hit the emergency button when you drop it. So, for some reason, I had this feeling I'm gonna be that guy. So, what did I do? I dropped this thing. Dropped it right off the side. So, I had to wait around and get it. And the staff was awesome. So here I am, and I am going back to the car. The park's about to close, but I got the GoPro.
Okay, moving day. We are going from one RV park to the next RV park. And so sister is mopping the floor. And we've got everything kind of cleaned up-ish, or at least to move. We've got a pile here that needs to be washed, but and we're moving to an RV park that has great washers and dryers.
How do I get happy face? It's good. It's good.
Is it?
What?
Ryder, how's the shrimp?
Don't burn your taste buds.
Ryder, is it good?
You
burn your taste buds? I think Mike likes the taco.
Good.
All right, you too. How is it?
I haven't even dug in yet, but I can't open the dang ketchup packet.
You don't need the ketchup. That's why you have tartar sauce. Luke, how's the tartar sauce?
Tartar sauce is gross.
This is what I got.
There we go.
Yours smells like clam chowder.
Ryder, how are you not freezing?
Believe that, Dad.
Hey, do you want a napkin, Ryder?